All right, well, let me take you through the voter turnout coming in Karnataka. As of now, the next phase of polling has taken us to 54% voting turnout as of 3 p.m. So this is the latest numbers that we have, 54.3% voter turnout in Karnataka as of 3 p.m. This is slightly better than the urban areas for sure. 54.2% is what we're told as of 3 p.m. In fact, in urban areas of Bengaluru, where I was covering the first round of Lok Sabha elections in Karnataka, it was barely 45% as of 3 p.m. So the rural areas, northern and central parts of Karnataka has certainly fared better with 54.2% voter turnout. I'm going to quickly cut across to our reporters joining us. We have Shibi Mole joining me live right here from where I am at another corner in Belagavi. We also have Apurva Jaishankar joining us live from Kalburgi, which was once known as the turf of Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. Apurva, if I may start with you, Mallikarjun Kharge says that he has voted, come back to cast his vote there. He's quite confident that the people of Kalburgi who defeated him, in fact, they didn't support him in 2019. He lost out in that round of Lok Sabha to the BJP. This time, he's confident that they're going to vote for his son-in-law.
That's right, Pooja. In fact, it's going to be quite an interesting issue to note because remember, this Kalburgi has been the Congress's fort. Here, remember, Mallikarjun Kharge had also contested from here and lost. After that, we saw the BJP MP there who's currently, who has been elected. And now it's going to be yet again a fight between the BJP and the Congress here. It's going to be interesting to see who is going to be winning here in these elections. In fact, up until now, we are seeing that so far the voter turnout has as well significantly risen. That's what we're also getting to learn out here. It's going to be interesting to see how the fight here in Kalburgi is going to pan out because one thing we can say the Congress is standing ground and they're also going on to state that yes, they are very confident that the public of Kalburgi wants a change and that change is going to be the Congress back here in its fort.